eastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Haverhill to near Southbridge, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boston, Worcester, Lowell, Cambridge, Quincy, Lynn, Newton, Lawrence, Somerville, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Revere, Peabody, Methuen, Arlington, and Everett. Line